Meaning of devoid.
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 Devoid. The word devoid means completely lacking or without something important or desirable. It implies a complete absence of a particular quality or feature, as if it never existed at all. When something is devoid of a certain element, it is stripped of its essence and significance. It usually carries a negative connotation and suggests that the thing in question is somehow incomplete or insufficient because of this absence. Overall, being devoid of something leaves one with a feeling of emptiness or incompleteness due to the important quality or feature being absent.